Hey friends, welcome to week 2. So a couple things going on today, or this week actually. We're going to work on chapter 2 in the text. We've got a discussion here for lab 2 where you're going to be giving somebody step-by-step directions on how they would complete the lab 2 assignment. So the lab is your directions, step by step on how to do all the things: accepting the assignment, cloning the repository, creating the project, writing the code, committing and syncing with GitHub, verifying the code is on github.com, and submitting the URL. So that's all what you need to do for lab 2 here as the assignment, but you're going to be discussing it here in the forum, and then that's due by 11:59 p.m. Friday, 5:20. So again, all of our discussions, the first post is due by the end of Friday, and then your reply is due by the end of Monday. So we'll get the first part of the week to get your first post in, and then the weekend and the next Monday to get your reply in. And what you're going to do is pick anybody. It doesn't need to be your partner from last time if you don't want, or you're welcome to use that same partner. Follow their directions and then see if it worked, right? See if they needed any updates. Reply to their thread, letting them know if you were successful following the directions or not, and what changes would be useful. So like this is a one sentence direction. That's not going to cut it. You need like step by step, click this, do this, fill out these things. Here's what you're going to do, so that your partner, whoever's going to work with you on this, can follow those directions. So you need to post first, and then you can go find someone who hasn't had someone follow the directions yet and go reply to them. I think should work out pretty well there. So the lab 2 assignment's not worth any points, but go ahead and do this portion, right, following their directions, and then submit the URL to your Java file, and then I can go and see if you correctly did that. Because we're going to be using this GitHub process, and I'll walk you through it a little bit later myself as well, to make sure that all of your code gets committed to GitHub, and then I can see your code and you can see your code. And that should work out relatively well. We don't need to attach files. We don't need to email files. We don't need to do any of that nonsense. We're going to use a actual industry tool for managing managing our source code, and then we're going to share our code just with those links, and that should work out pretty well. And then you also have the quiz for chapter 2 due by the end of Monday, 11:59 p.m. on Monday. So if you have any questions, thoughts, or concerns, let me know. I'm here to help, and keep in touch. Thanks, everybody.